Compare mode is designed for side-by-side learning. It lets the skier compare one run with another, such as a run by an instructor, a reference skier, or the same skier from an earlier session. This is one of the most useful ways to train because skiing technique is often about timing and movement patterns rather than a single frozen position. A still image can show balance at one moment. A comparison video shows how the skier moves into, through, and out of the turn. In compare mode, both runs play at the same time. This makes timing differences easier to recognize. For example, the viewer may notice that one skier starts the turn earlier, changes edges more smoothly, or finishes the turn with better control. It also helps with movement differences. A skier can compare upper body stability, lower body steering, ski angle, and turn rhythm against a reference. Rather than hearing "move earlier" or "stay more centered" as abstract advice, the skier can see what that means in motion. The objective scores make comparison more useful. Instead of guessing whether a run is closer to the reference, the skier can look at measurable performance. This gives the discussion a clearer base. The key difference summary adds another benefit. It automatically identifies the most important technical differences, so the user does not need to search through the whole video for every small variation. That makes compare mode useful for both independent practice and instructor-led sessions. Compare mode works well when the goal is to answer questions such as 1. How does my turn timing differ from the reference? 2. Is one side weaker than the other? 3. Did my technique improve compared with an earlier video? 4. Am I matching the instructor's movement pattern? 5. Which difference matters most right now? This mode is not only for advanced skiers. Beginners and intermediate skiers often gain a lot from visual comparison because it reduces confusion. Instead of trying to imagine the correction, they can see the gap between their current movement and the target movement. For instructors, compare mode can make feedback more direct. A short visual comparison often explains a point faster than a long verbal description.